Today we're going to take a look at a pair of Jordan 1s that I picked up locally for under $200, and this Jordan 1 will go for over $300 in the future. So this Jordan 1 is a great sneaker investment. If you love sneakers and you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Join the More family. The sneaker that we're going to take a look at today, I will be giving away over on my Instagram very soon. So make sure that you guys give me a follow over on Instagram. I'll leave that link down below in the description. This Jordan 1 released very recently. It did very well. It sold out. There's not a lot of resale really at all. You can get the shoe for about $200, which is not much over retail, tax, shipping, all of that, fees and all that. It's not much over that. Around $200. A one crazy shoe, Jordan 1 specifically. We all love Jordan 1s. We all know that Jordan 1s tend to do usually pretty well. They do tend to go up in price over time, almost no matter what the colorway is, especially nowadays. So this Jordan 1 will go up in price. I promise, I guarantee it. Buy this Jordan 1 right now before it's too late, before it's $300+ and you just don't want to spend that. You can spend $200 or less right now. Buy this Jordan 1 right now before it's too late and before they go up in price. Let's take a look at this fire Air Jordan 1. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Guys, More family, let's get this video up to 500 likes. I love you guys. Let's jump straight into this video. Let me know down below in the comments, do you guys like the vlog style start of the video? And then we sit down, take a look at a pair of sneakers. Let me know if you guys like that. Maybe we'll do some more vlogging, go outside and all that. And then we'll come back inside at the studio and we'll take a look at some sneakers. Let me know. With that being said, let's take a look at this Jordan 1 that I did pick up locally for one crazy price. Guys, I got this shoe. I'm just gonna tell you, retail's $170. I picked them up for $185. That's crazy. $15 over retail. That's awesome. That is awesome. For a lot of you out there, that would pretty much be retail. 70 plus tax, 180, 185. I got them for 185. Awesome steal. You guys can pick these up locally, which I do recommend doing, right? To save the money on fees, shipping, all that. You know, keep the price down so that later on, you will make more money. Make more money on your investment. So with that being said, try to pick them up locally like I did. I picked up this pair locally. I am looking to buy more pairs because this Jordan 1 will go up in price. And this Jordan 1, for me personally, I like it, but it's not a must cop. So I can just totally buy up pairs, invest. I don't need a personal, you know? Just buy up pairs and let them go up in price over time, because that's exactly what's going to happen to this Jordan 1. Make sure you guys pick up pairs. Trust me, you will regret not buying these in the future. Right here, we do have a recent release. Boom, there they are. The Jordan 1 Volt Gold. I showed you guys this sneaker very recently. I did sell that pair because I got it early and I paid well over retail, well over what it's worth for it. So I sold it right before they released, got a good amount of the money back, so that was awesome. And now I picked up a pair well under what I sold the last pair for and bought the last pair for. Give you guys an early look at everything like that. That's why I did that, for content. But right here, we have an investment pair. The Jordan 1 Volt Gold. This is a men's pair right here. I do recommend buying grade school. If possible, my recommendation would be buy grade school over men's pairs. I'm looking for grade school. I did find a men's pair. He wanted 200. I got him down to 185. I offered him 180. He said 185. I was like, all right, I'll take them. So that was done deal. These are clean. These will definitely go up in price. Dope shoe. Really nice colors. Volt Gold. I saw a picture going around with just the gold. Dope shoe. Awesome. However, guys, I'm telling you, buy them now. They're gonna go up. They're gonna go up. Grade school, especially, buy up those grade school pairs. You can get grade school for like 170, 180. Retail's 130. You can get it for like 50 bucks over retail, and they're gonna go up to over 300 as well, just like the men's pairs. So, you know, a little bit cheaper of an investment for about the same, if not maybe even a little more of a return in the future. So make sure you guys pick up some Volt Gold Jordan 1s. I'm not going to hold you guys too long on this video because I have, you know, recently showed you guys. I did a full do not sell video. Talked more about resale in that video, so make sure you guys check that video out if you haven't seen it, if you're more interested about why these are going to go up. I talk about why and all the factors and all that and pricing and all that. I talk more about that in another video. I'll leave that video actually linked up above. Make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about the Volt Gold Jordan 1. Did you guys actually cop this sneaker when it released? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to see who copped and who did not. If you did cop, make sure you comment a fire emoji. And if you didn't, comment a trash emoji. I just want to see who copped and who didn't. I think they're pretty clean though. Can't go wrong with the colorway. I'm telling you guys, if you're looking to make money on sneakers right now, buy them up. Hold them. Let them go up in price. I promise you, guaranteed to go up in price. Black toe color blocking. Guys, they're gonna go up. I promise you, absolutely promise you. Buy these up. Buy these up now while you can for around under 200 bucks, which is just a great deal. It really is. Buy them. They're gonna hit 300 plus. Buy them. Let me know what you guys think about the Volt Gold Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Do you own a pair? Do you not own pairs? Also, let me know what you guys think about the beginning. Like I said, should I do like a maybe vlog style type video and then we sit down and take a look at some shoes? Let me know down below in the comments. We're trying to hit 100K this year, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join the More family if you guys love sneaker content and if you guys love sneaker giveaways. Once again, I will be giving away a pair of Volt Gold Air Jordan 1s, so make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram. I'll leave that down below in the description. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Follow your boy on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And let's keep going. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Get this video up to 500 likes. More sneaker content on the way. I have more shoes on the way. Early looks. We got a bunch of shoes coming in. A bunch of heat coming out. And just more content for you guys on the way. I am looking to do some type of viral video. I'm not 100% sure yet. If you guys have any dope viral massive video ideas, leave it down below in the comments. I do have some ideas, but I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with yet. It's gonna cost money. All of them are gonna cost money. It is what it is, and just gotta keep going and push out this content for you guys. That being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.